Hi guys, welcome back to Main Monday, and today we are doing Bantu knots on natural hair with curls, twist and shout cream. Let's get into this do. So, starting off, you want to have a spray bottle, a comb, and your twist and shout cream, also hair ties or clips. I decided to do a part on the side because I didn't know how stretched out my Bantu knots would come out, so I just decided to part it. Then I went for my first Bantu knot and I decided to separate it without using my comb and just use my hands for the rest. I clipped the rest to the side and then I got my cream and I started to apply that to the area, really getting that in there so that every hair had a little bit of the cream on it. I made sure my hair was very, very wet for this because I wanted them to be tight Bantu knots. If you don't want them to be tight, you want to have more stretched out, then don't use water. That's my suggestion. After that, I started to do my twist of my Bantu knot on my hair, just all in one direction, twisted it all the way down. Then I started the loop around my hair into the Bantu knot. And that is my first Bantu knot. I tucked in the last piece to make sure it stayed tight. And then I started on my next piece and just gonna keep repeating the process. Add in some cream, wet your hair, comb it out, and then start the twist in one direction and then start the loop around and tuck it at the end. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this hair length? Thank you. Thank you. It is amazing. Now let's get back into it. So I ended up keeping these Bantu knots in for like 2 days, almost 3. So this is extremely dry and old Bantu knot set that I am taking out now. This is not the next day. It would probably look different or a little bit more tighter, I'm not sure. But this is 2-day-old Bantu knot set that I'm taking out. I still feel like my Bantu knots came out the way I wanted them to. I really wanted them to be a little bit more fluffy, and I think if I took them out early, then they would have been super tight or they might not have dried all the way. So I'm actually happy that I left them in longer. And there, oh my goodness, look at the curls. They're tight, they're cute, they're shiny, loving it. If you are feeling this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bar. You can follow me here and check out my Beauty Deals website. It is poppin', my blog. It's really coming together. I'm feeling it. Please check that out. And also, if you want To get your twist and shout cream, hit my affiliate link down below and get yours now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.